How to use emoji in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your doc file. After that, now you simply need to click window plus semicolon to open this icon of emoji. Once this dialog box appears, in the search box you can search for emoji you want to use. The second method is to go to Insert at the Home tab. Then after you will see the option of icon. Simply click on it and from there you can use the emoji you like. Choose it and click on Insert and then you're good to go. Last but not the least, again go to Insert, go to Symbol and go to More Symbol. After that, in the More Symbol option you will see this dialog box. In font, simply choose this emoji and choose the emoji which you want to insert. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to insert emoji in Microsoft Word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.